Jones here. Chef Jones here. I've missed this part of my life. It's actually teaching. I find that young adults today are eating a lot out, which I don't have a problem with them eating out, but I also find that they're broke. A lot of them don't have any money because as it is right now, it's so expensive, but no one taught them how to really use simple ingredients and made a ton of different meals. Food is so costly. Everything is so costly right now. So I actually want to teach them how to make one meal and make 6 meals out of one. Okay, I picked up everything in the store. The salsa, it was easy. I just grabbed some salsa from the store. They usually have buy one, get one free. You buy it at your taste and how you like it. I have some corn, beans here, cheese. I'm gonna make 4 or 5 different dishes. Taco, peppers with quinoa, a burrito, taco salad, and also a pizza, which is in the oven. I'm gonna be making those things to show you guys how easy this is when you have one big bowl of chili in the refrigerator. And you can portion them out and switch up on the days that you eat them. So in this pot, as you see here, I have some ground beef. I add some extra onions and stuff in here, but I eat very well. I'm gonna be showing you guys easy ways just to do this. They're not complicated recipes that you can actually use to make these things, okay? So tune in with me. I'm gonna put this on the stove and you know everything is gonna be TV ready, right? Adding the sauce. You're gonna make everything just cook up real fast. You can make a chili with almost about anything. You can also make a veggie chili and it can still make all of these different things. I'm also gonna show you how to make a stuffed pepper. I'm pouring the rest of the bean in here. I have a little sauce in the pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle a little cheese in the pepper and I'm gonna mix up some quinoa. My chili that's already cooked. All right, mix it in. Yummy. I'm going to put some vegetable. I have some vegetable here. And then I'm just gonna mix it around. That's it. That's the stuffed pepper. And now we're gonna do your stuffed peppers. Look at this. Just push everything down in here. Stuff it around. Stuffed pepper. Yummy. All right, you see the bean, everything on there. Just stuff it in. Pack it in. And then when you finish packing it in, you're going to add a little sauce on it. Look at that. Just a little sauce. You're going to add a little cheese on that, baby. Woo! And then I'm going to bring up to you the pizza. Now the pizza is the same, okay? Sauce. Spread it. A lot of you may not have had chili pizza, but it's actually yummy. You don't even literally have to put any sauce on there because the chili comes with a lot of scent. All you're doing is spread it. It is so good, I promise you.
Oh God, it's so good.
So if you take this out, if you made a bowl of chili on Monday, you can have chili pizza on Tuesday. Sprinkle some cheese. Sprinkle a little bit of complete seasoning on here. And we're gonna stick this back into the oven too. Check this out. This is another dinner on Wednesday. Let's put a little salad in there. Dinner on Wednesday. Look at that. Now we have 3 days gone. All right. Sprinkle a little cheese on the top with some sour cream. Set it up the way you like it. Ta-da! Look at that. Beautiful pot of chili that is made. And we made 1, 2, 3, 4 meals. And we can also make a burrito. I'm Chef Jones and I'm showing you how to spend less so you can buy my wines when they come out. I think this was easy and fun. Thank you guys and have an awesome. Please remember that the information at the end of this is for all people because I do work with a lot of people with disability. So please remember that anyone with any form of disability do know that there's help for you at vocational rehabilitation, Florida Department of Education. You can also reach out to me at 754-368-3864 for any reason you need and one of your family need any form of help. This is Chef Jones. Love you. Bye now. And thank you for joining me.